Welcome to Christies Gulf Beach Rentals, and we're here at the Bad Bunny Beachside pool pad. This is the entrance. You can see it's well appointed. This is a small bathroom for you and your guests to be able to use. And then we're going to go into the very large dining room. You can see hard surface flooring everywhere you go here. This happens to be tile in this room, and this giant table should accommodate your entire party here. Then we're going to talk to you about our espresso machine. That's special. We also have coffee for it. We have the mugs. We have everything you need to make espresso if you want to grind beans too. It's a great feature that we hope you will use. Then let's take a look at the kitchen area and go in and show you the small little seating area here by the window. Nice little seating area for the kids to play checkers while mom or dad are in the kitchen cooking. This is our guest binder. It has everything in it you need to know about the property itself. You can see it's beautiful outside as well. And now our kitchen with all the stainless steel appliances is well appointed. We have everything you need to cook in here, to enjoy yourself. Some things for you to eat. This is the coffee service over here. We have every type of appliance you can imagine, from blenders and how about this? This is the popcorn machine. We have everything you need to be able to make popcorn. Look at that, the seeds and everything. And then we're going to go right into the billiard room or the family room or the get-together room. That table has a reversible top on it, so you can play multiple games on it. And then you can also just hang around, just sit and watch TV in our big lounge area. Also, this is one of two areas where you can hang out. We'll show you the other in a minute. And it's just a beautiful area to be able to spend some time with your family in. You can also separate and have different groups in the house. This is one of our bedrooms. This is the kids' bedroom. You can see the bed on top, the bed on the bottom. There's also a trundle bed there as well. And then there's a table and chairs for the kids here. And there's a TV, and there's lots of games in this room. And wait a minute, what do we have over here? A nice little cubby for the kids to be able to play in, some books and some toys in there and some seats. And we're back to the dining room, and now we're into the next sitting room. Basically, you can have another group in here where there are a lot of games in here you can play. This is just another nice sitting room with a TV, and that is a nice chess and checker set there with the chairs that pull out. Then we're going to go down again. The hallway shows the hardwood flooring throughout. Beautiful property. And then into the first bathroom in the guest suite area. This is a nice, well-appointed tiled bathroom with a hard surface sink, as you can see. And then we have the laundry room, which is right there behind that door. We're going to open it up. We're going to show it to you. You can do your laundry in here. There's no reason to bring everything with you. Just throw your bathing suits in there and your other clothing. We're going down the hall now. I want you to see that thermostat on the wall. That's a Wi-Fi. That's an electronic thermostat, easy for you to be able to use and set the temperature you want. These are several bedrooms here. This is one of our beautiful bedrooms. You can see it's well appointed. It has dressers for you to be able to store your clothing. And there's a closet in here, nice lighting in the room, well decorated. Let's go down the hall here and take a look at another bedroom, very similar. Again, plenty of furniture for you to be able to use, and there's lots of windows in here. We only have one open for right now, just for the lighting, but this is one of our several bedrooms. We'll go into another one here. This is the largest of the bedrooms. It has a larger bed, and it has a fan. All the bedrooms have fans, as you can see. And this one has a rug on the floor, like a lot of them do. And it has the furniture for you to be able to put your clothing in as well. So these are all beautifully appointed bedrooms for you to be able to stay in. And then we're in the feature of the house, which is the swimming pool in the backyard. You see it's a nice large pool back there. We have plenty of places for you to be able to sit and lay down. We have a lot of toys back here for the kids and adults to play with. We have a barbecue set up here. There are a lot of things you can do in the backyard. This is truly a destination resort. You need to come to the Bad Bunny Beachside pool pad and spend some time here. There's actually no reason to even leave except to go shopping and get some food so you can cook it in our beautiful kitchen. We have a terrific yard, as you can see, to be able to spend time with your family. Thank you.